Explain Everything allows you to capture both the process and product of a learning experience. This means you can create tutorials, animated stories, and presentations, all while capturing your work and your voice. Let's take a look. To create a new project, I'm going to tap on the plus, and here you can see you can choose from a blank project, from a template, or from a picture or document. So you'd want to use maybe a picture or document. Let's say you had a worksheet your instructor gave you. You could actually take a picture of that worksheet and solve it here with your thought process on Explain Everything and turn it in. Wouldn't that be cool? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just choose from a template. So I'm going to go with just a problem that I've created in my head. So we're going to choose the blue. You can see all the annotation tools come up. And at the very top is a record button. The neat thing about Explain Everything is each page records separately. So if I have slide 1 and then I add another slide, it starts my recording all over again on slide 2. So you kind of do this in chunks. So let's take a look. I'm going to hit my record and you can see it's calculating up, so it's getting my voice, but it's also getting what I'm going to annotate here on the screen. So let's say I'm trying to solve 2x plus 3 equals 6. So I know the first thing I need to do is isolate x. So I'm going to subtract 3 from each side, and that'll get me 2x equals 3. And I know I further need to isolate x, so I'm going to divide by 2, and x will be equal to 3 over 2, or 1.5. And then I'll stop and my recording. And so now that's captured everything that I'm doing. If I wanted to make some changes, if I tap this, you can see, let's say the blue, I don't know, it's kind of dark and I wanted to change that color. I can simply make it lighter. And now you can see, so you have a little bit of editing capability. Also with the 3 dots here, if you needed to re-record anything or overwrite something, you have the ability to do that. And now what I was talking about earlier, if I tap and I want to create, another page, so that would be the plus next to it, you can see my recording goes to, and I need to start all over again. So I need to tap the record button again, and now I can start a new recording on this particular page. So let's say here I wanted to import a worksheet. So I can tap the plus button here, and I can go ahead and go to my photo, and here's the worksheet. And so let's say I want to use this, so I'm just gonna say okay, I'm done with it. Now there's my worksheet. Now I can go ahead and use my tools, and I can go ahead and show my work on how I'm going to solve this equation. Put my answer in, stop the recording, and then I can use my share sheet in the upper right hand corner, and you can give your project a name. So I'll call this one test. Tap OK. And you can see the many different ways that you can send this to your instructor. You can do it via Google Drive, YouTube, you can do it in your camera roll, and you can see up at the top I've got video selected. You can also send it as a PDF or an image or a project. So you can see Explain Everything is a powerful tool to help you demonstrate what you know.